Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 42. And without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Monocytes, which are macrophages and dendrite cells. Largest phagocytes are the macrophages in lymphocyte tissue. These engulf and destroy pathogens. Dendritic cells are present antigen to T cells. They present antigens to T cells. Granulocytes. Granulocytes, we have the neutrophils. Those are short-lived phagocytes that respond quickly to invaders. We have the basophils that alert the body of invasions. We have the eosinophils, which are large non-living that defend against multicellular invaders. Granulocytes. We have the neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. Neutrophils. These are short-lived phagocytes that respond quickly to invaders. Basophils. These alert the body of the invasion. Eosinophils. These are large, non-living that defend against multicellular invaders. T lymphocytes. These are T cells, helper T cells, killer T cells, suppressor T cells, and memory T cells. Helper T cells. Help fight infection by producing antibodies and other chemicals. Killer T cells. Destroy infected cells. Suppressor T cells. Stop or suppress the other T cells when the battle is over. Memory T cells. Remain in blood on alert in case the invader attacks again. B lymphocytes. B cells, they produce antibodies. Natural killer cells. A lymphocyte able to bind to certain tumor cells and virus-infected cells without the stimulation of antigens, and kills them by the insertion of granules containing pathogen. Define an antigen. They are substances that stimulate immune system. Plasma cell produce antibodies specific to that pathogen. B cells differentiate into plasma and memory cells. Antigens are typically proteins on the surface of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, drugs, toxins, and foreign particles can also be antigens. Memory cells remain in bloodstream to protect against future infections from same pathogen. The skeletal system is divided into two parts. What are they? Exoskeleton and appendicular skeleton. Archaeoskeleton consists of 80 bones, including the skull, sternum, ribs, vertebral column, or what we call the spine, and hyoid bone. Appendicular skeleton consists of 126 bones, bones of the arms, feet, legs, hands, hips, and shoulders. Functions of the skeletal system. One, movement. Two, mineral storage. Three, support. Four, protection. Five, blood cell production. Dear friends, thank you very much for using human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.